Hey guys, Mitch here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make something like a copy of a track by Hilo, a track called A United in Trance. I tried to make something like a copy, at least closer to this track, to figure out how it was produced. I made full track, but maybe I forgot something. Anyway, I'll show you what we have here, and please check other review I made in other language, but I guess YouTube made the translation for you, and you can listen in this review on your language. Anyway, let me show you what we have here. Original track you can listen to, just check the link in the description, but now let me show you some parts of this track and I'll explain how I made it. Okay, it sounds like that. We have a track. By the way, the length of this track something like 4:55, not longer 5 minutes. I guess it's something like a mixture of the trance and techno. Anyway, if you know the particular genre, particular title of the genre, please type in the comments. Very interesting how it called, right? Let me show you what we have here. So let's start from the drums. We have kick. Also, these drums say it step by step. Something like that. So I decided to make a kick using two kicks. I decided to use top kick for this the bass drum. We have clap. Also we have some top loops percussions. By the way, right is really important in that music. So we have bass. As you hear, we have something like more cut of bass from the beginning and the end of the track, and we have one more layer, something like layer with a bit more open filter bass. And we have rolling bass here, like in uplifting trance or something like that. We have this bass. As you hear, I decided to use something like a phaser. Basically, it sounds like that. I decided to add a phaser because I heard in the track by Hilo, I guess he uses something like a phaser or flanger to make this bass more interesting. And I decided to use a filter here. Yeah, we have also something like acid. Yeah, sounds a bit different than an original mix, but I decided to use something like that. I used automations to make it something like from close to open, something like that. So also we have here something like a siren. And I decided to use something like a wrist bass with the reverb. Yeah. Also we have here something like sequence. Yes, sequence. I really like to use sequence from other presets, other packs, different packs, because every preset of the sequence has a lot of sounds, and I can mute some sounds, some like a bass drum, like claps, heads, etc., to leave just bass or some synths. Here I decided to leave this synth. Also we have this one, something like that. Also we have FXs, something like that. Oh, let's see what we have in the chord section. I decided to make something like a copy of these chords. Maybe I made a mistake in some notes, but generally it sounds like that. And I decided to make this reverse effects. It's just a waveform. I used a lot of reverb to render this bar, just one bar, and then I reversed it to make this reverse sound. Also, I used another layer here. To make more layers here. And we have here, I really like this part with a plug. I really like how it sounds on the drop. By the way, I like this part of the drop. Yeah, sounds like that. I'll upload this project to my Boosting Patreon. You can easily find the project and make something like that in your genre. Just remember, I used Serum 2 because I used a lot of Serum 1. Now I guess it's time to use Serum 2 because I guess you guys renew your Serum because it's really cool synthesizer. By the way, these chords I made from scratch. I used two layers, two oscillators. One waveform is a mono saw, and here we have stereo saw 1 octave higher. Sounds something like that, really simple, but cool. I like how it sounds. So anyway, if you want to figure out how it was produced, how this track was produced, please check my links in description. Something like that. So Menchi was here. Bye bye, guys.